He holds a BSc in Forensic Science from the prestigious Nigerian Police Academy within Kano State. He is presently the team leader, General Investigation Section, State CID, Kaduna State Police Command. We also have the left Soft Guard Commander, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, senior officers, the Guard 1 is being commanded by CSP.
As they stand,
the national standard is being beared by DSP Sale Umar Magama.
once again, the National Security Advisor, AIG retired Malam Nuhu Lebadu Eminai.
Governor Central Bank of Nigeria, ably represented by AIG Akim Olusegun Odumosu, retired. The Chairman Police Service Commission, DIG Kashimu Agbogugu, retired, MPNPSC MNI, ably represented by DIG Taiwo Lakano, retired. The Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa, the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Ogala, the representative of the Chief of Army Staff and Chief of Air Staff who are here present. Our invited guests, distinguished our invited distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen.
Recalling now how our special intervention squad operatives use our chopper to carry out operations in all plants and conflict theaters in Nigeria. Giving them cover, you can see the gun truck, the vehicle, the chopper hands GKG on it, mounted on wheels of green support to the men on the ground, and we have adequate air-to-ground communication. Nigeria Police Force Airwing, established in 1972, is a critical and airborne asset for the Nigeria Police Force, carrying out combat missions, surveillance, search, and rescue operations, and aiding in transport.
Pride and immense joy that I grace you on this historic occasion, the very first National Police Day. Today we honor the brave men and women of the Nigeria Police Force who tirelessly serve our nation, safeguard our communities, and uphold the rule of law. This day is far more than a ceremonial event. It is a heartfelt recognition of your sacrifices, dedication, and courage. We are acutely aware of the critical role the Nigeria Police Force plays in our national security framework. You are the first line of defense against crime and disorder, the guardians of our communities and the enforcers of our laws. You work tirelessly, often under difficult circumstances, to ensure the safety and well-being of every Nigerian. To each and every officer I say, your efforts are seen, your service is valued, and we stand in solidarity with you. The Nigerian Police Force is not merely an institution. It is a cornerstone of our nation's security. In the first line of defense against crime, you are the protectors of our democracy and the custodians of our safety. Your role is indispensable, and your contributions are immeasurable. Why have we established the National Police Day? The answer is straightforward. This day serves to highlight your invaluable service and to honor the officers who have made the ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty. To their families, we extend our deepest condolences and our unwavering commitment to preserving their legacy. As President, I reaffirm this administration's steadfast dedication to the welfare and empowerment of the Nigeria Police Force. A secure Nigeria is vital for our collective prosperity. And this vision begins with ensuring that our police force is well equipped, well trained, and well motivated. We are resolute in our commitment to police welfare and comprehensive reform. To that end, let me assure you that the federal government of Nigeria will institutionalize 7th April as an annual celebration of National Police Day, cementing its place in our national calendar and demonstrating our enduring appreciation for the Nigeria Police Force. Let it be clear, 7th April is not merely a date on the calendar. It is a symbol of our enduring partnership and respect for the Nigeria Police Force, a day firmly entrenched in our national consciousness. In this light, we are taking decisive steps to improve the conditions under which our police officers serve. Adequate housing, accessible health care, and quality education for our children are priorities we are committed to fulfilling. These priorities will begin to materialize immediately. We are also determined to equip you with modern tools and technology to enhance your effectiveness in combating crime. We cannot combat digital adversaries with analog tactics. We'll ensure that we are always steps I hate of those who threaten the peace, welfare, and prosperity of our nation. Furthermore, we will ensure that your salaries and benefits reflect the gravity of your responsibilities and the risks you face daily. Anything less will be unacceptable. Beyond these measures, our aim is to foster a police force that exemplifies accountability, professionalism, and community engagement. In this era of renewed hope, police training programs will emphasize human rights, ethics, and community-based strategies to build trust between the police and the citizens they protect. I commend the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Adeolu Ekpetoku, PhD, NPM, and his team for their remarkable work in advancing reforms aligned with this administration's goals. Your leadership and dedication are paving the way for a police force that all Nigerians can take pride in. To my fellow Nigerians, I give you this assurance. We'll leave no stone unturned in ensuring effective policing, the safety of lives and property, and the resolution of internal security challenges such as banditry, insurgency, and kidnapping. We remain resolute in our mission to restore peace and security across every niche region of our beloved country. To the officers and men of the Nigerian Police Force, you are the face of our nation. Lead with integrity, fairness, and respect for human dignity. The nation depends on you, and together we shall succeed in building a Nigeria where security, peace, and justice reign supreme. As we mark this historic National Police Day, let us unite in our shared vision, a Nigeria where the police are respected, the citizens are safe, and the future is bright for all. Together, we can and will achieve this. Thank you, and may God bless the Nigerian Police Force. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Can we? May we all rise and say the national anthem, please.